Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML responsive web design. And right now we'll be discussing about the media queries. In addition to resize text and images that we have learned so far, it is also common to use media queries in responsive web pages. With media queries, you can define completely different styles for different browser sizes. For example, resize the browser window to see that the three div elements below will display horizontally on large screens and stack vertically on small screens. I'm going to show you how this works. As you can see, we are having these styles right here, and we are having let's get back to our document. This is what I want to use this thing for. So I've already designed something right here. I've already gathered something right here that you can find, that you can use, we can use for each other here to understand this very well. As you can see, here are the codes. As you can see, I don't want to start designing this one right now because it will let the video get too long. So what we actually want to be doing is that let's maximize this browser right now. What we want to be able to achieve here is that whenever, let's say, whenever we pick our browser like this, we resize it like this. We want everything we did, all our div element to stack on top each other vertically. As you can see, they are all like this horizontally. Horizontally, they came from the left like this to the right straight way, and well, until this place is full before they can jump. That is horizontally, right? But this one vertically, they will stack on top each other automatically. So that's what we want to be doing when our screen size reach one certain level. As you can see, when we are resizing our screen size, as you can see, when you reach one level, which is 100 pixels each of it stack on top each other. That is what is going on right here, as you can see. And how did we achieve this? I'm going to show you in this code right now. Back to our media query here. As you can see, inside our CSS right here, don't you forget, right here we are having three div elements here. 1 2 3. One open and close, second open and close, third open and close. Inside it we are having p tag, each of them. Inside this first one we are having left menu, the third one, the second one we are having main content, the third one we are having right content. They are all these things you are seeing here: left main content, right content. So what we have achieved so far is from here, right? And we give them class. The class is here. We gave the first one class left, the second one class main, the third one class right. So I'm going to show you the code. The class that we gave them, now we now style it from here. We gave this one box, everything. We said all our HTML elements should be having what? Border box. We haven't discussed about it, or we have discussed about this. I'm going to explain much about this in future, but we have discussed about, I think we have discussed about this in our previous tutorial. But right now, this is what we are focusing right now. So what I want to show you guys here is that our first one is having left, right, and we style it with background color, and also we gave it padding, we gave it flow, we gave it width, and which is all this you are seeing here. The background color is blue. As you can see, the padding is this size 20 pixels, and the float left, we said it should come to the left like this, is shift to the left. So we have discussed about this float also in our previous tutorial. You can check our previous tutorial about it. And width also, as you can see, we specified width, which is 20%. Give it 20%. No matter what, you should take 20%. So let's check another one also. The second one also is having main, which is this. We style it with the same thing, but the thing that is different here is that we gave it 60% width size. So let me show you how this works. Can you see the width size here is 60%? It's taking the 60%. And also we are having another one which is right here. This one is taking right class. We gave it background color, we gave it padding, we gave it float and width. The width also and the padding is also the same as the one that we are having at the first one, which is the left. They are all having the same padding and the width and the same color and the same float left. So all of this we gave all of them. If you notice very well, we gave all of them float left, and the first one also is having float left. As you can see, float left, float left. So the reason why we give them float left is that we want them to stack, we want them to come to inline level so that they can stay horizontally. That's why we give them until this our screen size is full before they can jump. Another one can be on this level left side again. So that's what we are trying to say. So let me give you an example now. The reason why I give them the left That's not what we are here to study right now, but I just want to give you examples so you can quickly understand what I'm talking about. Let me place this one here, place another one, place another one, place another, place another one, and save our document. You are going to see what will happen now. Let's reload our document. Can you see? Can you see? It's on S. Our document is full because our this one is taking 60% already, and this one is taking 20% already, and this one at the right also is taking 20% already. Now add it together, you know that this left menu, main content, and right content here, all of them, they are now taking the 100% of the width already. That's why they now, the other div element I created again now jump to the bottom. They now stack to each other like this. As you can see them, see the way they look, see the way they look. So that's what is going on right there. But the thing that I want you to see right here now is that I want you to see one thing. Let me change this thing to, I want you to see something quickly. Let's now say, as you can see this one now, I want you to notice something right here. I want to check the color here. This blue color, I'm trying to change the color. Can you see it have changed to green, gray? As you can see, let me change this one also so you can also see what I'm talking about. Let's give it white. Let's give it white. Let me reload my document. Can you see they're having green, white, green, which is Nigeria what? Nigerian flag. As you can see, all these things that you are seeing, there's no any magic in this. I'm going to be continuing explaining this for you guys. So let's quickly, I've reviewed what I've done so far. I've reviewed it. So I've removed the other div element I created so far. Let me redo our document. Can you see we are having the element now? Now the media query, the benefit of using the media query now, come and see it. Here is where the media query is. The media query is right here now. As you can see, the media query is right here. Sorry. As you can see, we are having at media query screen. We are talking about the screen. You can give, I think, as you can see, we are giving it screen, right? Is it screen and max width? We are talking about it. If you are trying to specify the media query inside the CSS style, you are going to use media screen and all this value. So you can be able to achieve this kind of thing that we are trying to do here. So we now selected our class. We now selected the left class, main class, and the right class. Those three classes, we selected them one by one, and we now said that when our max width, when our media screen reach max width 800 pixels, when our screen reach 800 pixels, this all of these our element that we selected, any element that is having this class, class main, class left, class right, they should have this width, which is 100% width. That's what we have said so far. So whenever our screen reach this 800 pixels, they are going to reach their width is going to be at 100 pixels. As you can see from here before, we are having 20 pixels on the right side. We are having 100% on the right side, 60% on the at the middle side, and 20% at the left side also. So now that's why you are seeing it like this: 20%, 60%. But whenever we take the size reach this 80 pixel like this, 800 pixel like this, all of them we have 100 width. That's why they take all the width from left to right. They couldn't take all the 100% width. They take all the 100% width. They take all the 100% width. That's what I'm trying to show you guys there. As you can see, it's very, very nice. So let me reverse it back to the where we created our where we change it to map, where we change it to flag. Let me reload it. As you can see now, let me do it like again. Let now shrink it to 800. Can you see what is happening now? The map now has turned to another thing now. Can you see green, white, green, 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 white, green, green? As you can see, green, white, green, 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 white, green, 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 white, green, 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 white, green, green. Can see green, white, green, 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 green. That's how it will happen throughout the screen. So that's what I'm trying to show you guys. And what akorede ayofe is my name. Make sure you practice, because practice make perfect. And what akorede is my name. Oh, but before I go, I want to text something, or we should leave it like this. Let us text something. Maybe we should change this screen to another thing. Maybe we should change it to KK. Maybe it will still work. Maybe let's reload our screen. Let's reload our thing. Can you see it's still working? And what akorede ayofe is my name. Make sure you try every time, try your best every time, so that you can know what is working for you, what is not working for you. You can understand. As you can see, this is not working. It's not working when we change it. As you can see, it's not working when we change this screen. So you must use screen whenever you are using the media inside the CSS, and use this and. Let's remove this and also, maybe it will work. Can you see it has already gave error? It's not going to work. As you can see, it's not working. As you can see, it's not working. But when we use plus, I think it should work, because plus is not even working. When we use plus also, it's not working, but it's only hand you can use. So make sure that you use screen and hand whenever you are using this screen. That's the reason why I'm doing all this. Can you see it's working now? It's working now. So I want you to try your best using all this. Try your best using it, because when you are using it inside your CSS, you must use at media and also screen and also and. So when you are using all this, then you can specify your max width of the screen. Let's say for instance, we remove this art now. Let's say if it's going to work again, I'm sure it's not going to work. Can you see it's not working? So you must have the art also there. Let's say we use this also. Let's use dot media also. It's not going to work again. Let's reload it. As you can see, it's not working. But when we remove it and bring it back to art, it's going to work. So that's what is going on right here. As you can see, it's working nicely. And what akorede ayofe is my name. Once again, have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye, and to the next.